Did you know you can step into the world of Harry Potter in Tokyo? Follow me and let's uncover the magic. Hey guys! Guess where we are today? We're all in uniform because we're actually going to the Making of Harry Potter studio tour today. And Kyle here, aka the onsen guy, if you guys haven't remembered that yet, he's gonna be here with me. I also like to say that we are NPCs from the Hogwarts Legacy video game because we don't really look like anyone specifically in the movie. But it's been really exciting so far because the station is all decked out in Harry Potter. Apparently there is a Harry Potter train as well, which I was hoping to get on, but you can't predict the time that it'll come. Full disclosure, today I actually was invited to the studio tour for a PR for my Instagram. So that's what we're here doing today, which also coincidentally checks off something on my bingo card for 2026, which is really exciting. So thank you so much, Warner Brothers Studio Tour, for letting me come here. This is just kind of behind the scenes of us filming content for Instagram because there's apparently takes like 3 or 4 hours to go through. So if you're a fan, you can really get a lot of the experience. So let's do that today. This will be a little behind the scenes vlog. So let's go inside, we'll get decked out, and let's go studio tour. I'm so excited. It's my house! We're inside. I can't believe we're here.
That's right.
I've waited ages to come here. I'm excited. Oh my gosh. And here's the Great Hall. Kind of inspired by the Great Hall. They also have a chocolate frog cafe section. Apparently they have some foods inspired by the films and some really cute desserts. So I think we're gonna have to try that later. But first, should we hit up the gift shop? Get some wands so we can actually Rebellio. Oh my gosh! We have a little Hufflepuff badger. He's wearing a scarf. Oh, I kind of want him. These are so cute. Harry Potter themed stuff. Man, Japan is so good at theming things for the seasons. If you like themed exclusive merch, you've got to come to Tokyo.
Come here for wands.
Wands, but I also sort of kind of want a scarf if we can find it, maybe. But this is just the gift shop. I can't believe how much we've already seen so far. We haven't even gone into the tour yet. These are wands. Is it the Elder Wand?
Yes.
This is the Elder Wand. Avada
You went there right away.
The goal originally was to find wands that were matched to our Harry Potter quiz results. Mine is an Elmwood. I swear they had more. There's too much to see in the gift shop. If you're a Harry Potter fan, you will spend hours here. I think we'll be here all day. Also, the ceilings are so cool. The details are crazy. Do I want a bow tie clip or a headband?
Which will it be?
Which will it be? Oh, the scarf is so cute. Is it time to get a scarf finally? Would this complete the look? I guess this would be good for a winter look. Also, look, they have satchels for each house. Can hang this on the wall. So crazy. Oh my gosh, there's a part of me that even wants a trunk. It's my lunchbox. So apparently they don't have the personalized ones here. They have a really cool, limited options. This one is Philosopher's Stone. I'm torn between Philosopher's Stone because it just looks really pretty, or Hufflepuff theme. This is the Cup of Hufflepuff, and it's got a badger on it. So I can't tell which one to get. What do you think?
So this is the Sword of Gryffindor. I am Gryffindor, but I do like the look of the Death Eater ones. So here is the skull.
Oh my god. Wait, that's actually pretty intense.
But then we have, of course, Lord Voldemort.
Oh no.
What was it? Nagini.
What'll it be?
I have no friggin' clue.
It's up to you, but I would say that, this one looks just a little bit too evil for my taste. So I decided to go with the Philosopher's Stone because it looks the prettiest. It looks more like a real wand to me.
Yeah. You asked if we want to see something interesting.
Oh.
So, all right.
Oh, sugoi! It's the real thing.
Shizzy, it's the Philosopher's Stone.
Oh my gosh.
Take it and run.
It's the real thing. I'll never die.
You can make the elixir and you can live forever.
That's so cool. ありがとうございます. Look, there's more heirlooms.
The diadem of Ravenclaw.
めっちゃ綺麗。つけていいんですか？ぜひ。Oh my gosh. I'm wearing the diadem of Ravenclaw with the Ravenclaw wand.
Shizzy's got like the mother load here.
Impulse buying. It's okay. These are things that I've wanted for a long time now. We're completing the very expensive full outfit.
Very expensive.
Today.
Okay.
This is a great gift shop. The design is remarkable. Like, beautiful design. Kind of feels like it feels like this is already the experience. But now, let's go get our goods. We're gonna put our boxes stowed away in the cloakroom, and then we'll go into the tour. Let's do it. Apparently, you can vote for your house and see who wins by scanning a QR code. Scan the QR code. Add points to your favorite house. Let's vote for Hufflepuff for me. I gotta show my house the pride. It worked! Kyle just voted for Hufflepuff for me. Hufflepuff's not doing very well, so I'd like to vote for Hufflepuff, but I'm gonna vote for Gryffindor for Kyle. You might win something, because Gryffindor is doing good, so we'll see what happens. I'm gonna vote for Gryffindor. This is house pride swapping. Here we go. That's very cool.
今皆さんの目の前にあるこの大きな扉は、そう、ホグワーツの魔法魔術学校のお広間へと続く扉です。実は、エルクラスな小さな魔法使いに扉開けるお手伝いお願いしたいと思います。3、2、1、ホグワーツへようこそ。
This is very cool. We're inside now. This is the Great Hall where they have the scenes, of course. It is beautiful. It actually does feel like I'm on a movie set, which is essentially what this entire tour is. Let's keep on exploring. Because I'm also over here. So now we get to do the thing where you pretend to be watching a Quidditch game. So she's directing everybody. And then we get to keep the video. That was a lot of fun.
Great acting.
Although, watch out for your wand flying out of your pockets. Okay, now it is time to enter the Forbidden Forest.
It looks forbidden.
It
That's
looks
what it looks
exactly like the movie, of
All right.
course. Wow, also great detail. The ground is soft, as if you're entering the forest floor. It is so cool to see this up close. You can really feel how large things are when it's in person. That is so
Scarecrow
cool.
shot.
All right, we're now in the Butterbeer bar. It's time for a Butterbeer break.
Butterbeer break.
So come on. Come on. Cheers.
Yep.
You got your Butterbeer mustache. That is seriously really good. I actually really enjoy Butterbeer. It's a little bit like bubbly, kind of reminiscent of beer, but sweet and caramelly.
Wouldn't say root beer, but it's almost there.
But this is a good break spot. We're gonna have to go get a little bite to eat after this
Absolutely.
too. So we haven't eaten yet.
Let's go wash these cups and take them home.
That's actually a really cool feature. That's why everyone is washing them in the background. We get a Butterbeer at home.
Butterbeer.
Yes.
We can learn how to make it.
We can make it. Or we can buy it. There's both options now. Anyway, let's go get some food. See you guys there. Also running out of time, I feel like.
It's true.
We gotta make sure to have some of the food before things close.
Absolutely.
Oh, look at the desserts. Okay, so there's a Hedwig cake that comes in a cage.
Oh, wow.
Very great design. And a Mandrake cake,
Wow.
which is a chocolate trifle. I can't choose, and it's for content anyway. I'm gonna get both.
All right, here's the spread.
Here we are. We're inside the Backlot Cafe now. We decided to get themed house plates for Hogwarts. We didn't get the houses that we actually belong to. I just wanted to eat something different, so did Kyle. Kyle ended up getting the Slytherin plate. It has stew, which looks very tasty.
And snake bread.
And I ended up getting the Ravenclaw seafood Doria. Let's do it. The food's actually solid.
Strong tomato flavor.
The seafood Doria has a lot of seafood actually. It also has shrimp in it. And Doria, for those of you who don't know, is I think it's a Japanese dish, but basically it's like a baked rice dish. It has like cream sauce, cheese, and often seafood. There's definitely salmon in it and scallops. So it's very seafoody, but very enjoyable if you like seafood.
I like seafood. Seafood. Pavelio.
So we have our desserts now. I've already taken 2 bites of each for the Instagram video. My favorite is definitely the mandrake here. This is a chocolate trifle. For those of you who know me, know that I really quite like chocolate. So anything chocolate is gonna win me over. It's got this fluffy chocolate cream inside. These chocolate chunks on top that are kind of Oreo-like replicates the dirt. And what I love is you can actually pull out the mandrake. You can go.
Sorry, I had to do it. Can I bite off his legs?
Sure.
You're still screaming. That's a solid chocolate.
It's good.
It's literally, it's solid chocolate.
The other dessert that's really popular is the Hedwig cake. Appearance-wise, really great attention to detail. It's just a fluffy white sponge cake with a little bit of custard inside and lots of whipped cream. So it does go really well with some like fruit accents. I would have liked a little bit more fruit sauce to change up the flavor because it is just a plain white cream cake. It's very simple and tasty, but most of all, it looks fantastic. I just want to say about the cafe, the food was all really solid. Sometimes you expect themed foods to not be very good, but I'd say they put a lot of effort in maintaining both the appearance and the taste.
Consistency, very good.
Which I want to shout out to them because I don't think it's easy to make a ton of food for this volume of people who are coming in every day. It's not an amusement park per se, but it's very much an immersive experience if you're a fan of the Harry Potter series.
It is a treasure trove of so many things. Nostalgia, filmmaking techniques.
All right, we're gonna have to continue on our tour because we're not out yet.
We're almost out of time and battery. Bombard. All right, so we finished eating. So.
And Kyle's got his goggles on.
Indeed.
Great, shall we keep on going?
Let's go.
Let's go, adventure on.
Hold on, Harry.
Oh. Someone knocked back.
It's Harry's closet under the stairs.
Oh my God, this is so realistic. I love the little touches. There's this, like a cleaning sponge. There's Christmas ornaments. They clearly also use this space for storage. The house is so real. I imagine like they used a real house. Now we're headed to a little courtyard corridor thing. I don't know actually what it's called.
Shizzy, why don't you walk over to it? Let me just...
How do you get on it? I think you have to go around. It kind of feels like you're actually a student.
Wow.
There's so many other students dressed up. It really makes it when everyone dresses up. It makes you feel like you're part of the world. This is so great. I love it.
Wow.
This is so pretty. It really feels like you're in Hogwarts. Especially when you're dressed up. Once I make my move, then you're free to check the king. Wow, it's the Hogwarts Express. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's the steam engine. This is incredible. It's huge. Getting on the Hogwarts Express. Ooh, this is so good.
I already got one good jump in to begin with.
Got my wand ready just in case. Oh no. Oh no, it's the Dementors.
Oh my God. Cast a Patronus. Shizuka.
Expecto Patrona! We are now inside the Ministry of Magic, where all the evil happens.
The evil?
There's a lot of bad people working at the Ministry.
Oh, magic is might.
This is enormous. Actually feels like I'm inside the Ministry of Magic.
Both of us just traveled via flu powder.
We did.
It was quite magical.
Life was so much harder to get around before I invented flu powder. If you set up the QR code before like the photo, portrait experiences, all this stuff, and you get your own QR code, then you can download the videos that they make. So I definitely recommend to set up your QR code before you start the experience. Oh my goodness, creatures! I love the creatures. I am a magical creatures person. One of my favorite people is Newt Scamander. Same Hufflepuff house.
Nice.
But anyway, let's see what they've got.
Nobby's a free elf.
I don't have my earmuffs with me. Luckily, he's
crazy.
behind a soundproof barrier.
That's right.
They're showing us how they move all of the animatronic creatures and things like that. Incredible.
You know what, Shizuka?
It seems that all roads lead back to Hogsmeade.
I knew you were gonna say that.
I don't know how I'd fare in a place like this.
Those are my two favorite quotes from the game.
Indeed. Indeed.
Off on another adventure, are we? I solemnly swear I am up to no good. And there we go. That was the end of the studio tour, the Making of Harry Potter studio tour by Warner Brothers. It was a lot of fun. What did you think?
It was amazing and eye-opening. So much work went into those movies, my God.
So much. It was actually really cool to see how they made the movie, like from the sound effects to like prop designs, everything. You can learn a lot about the series of movies and even just about filmmaking if you're into that. So even if you're not a Harry Potter fan, I think you could really get a lot out of it. And I do 100% recommend dressing up if you go because I feel like it elevates the experience so much.
And it helps out everyone else's pictures.
It does. That's another thing, because lots of people here to take photos, and if you're dressed up, you kind of blend into the background. I really appreciated other people dressing up, because then I didn't mind them being in my photo, if that makes sense. Everything was fantastic, and there was not enough time. We came here at 11, and we left at closing time at 7 p.m. We could have spent a little bit more time.
Absolutely more
if we wanted to take more photos.
12, 14 at least.
So if you like taking photos or filming, expect to need a lot of time. Expecto to need a lot of time. You will.
Wow.
Anyway, highly recommend if you guys are ever in Tokyo, it's a whole experience. And I might as well throw in the fact that Akasaka Station is also decked out in Harry Potter, only until the end of this year, by the way. So I think that is limited. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this little behind the scenes experience of us going through the tour. And let me know in the comments down below if you guys would like to check this out too. All right, see you guys soon in another video. Bye.
Nox.
How nice to see you, my young friend.